Hey, welcome to LoveLiveSave. If you've been looking to save money on your laundry supplies, stay tuned for today's deal video because I've put together 10 Dollar General laundry supplies couponing deals that you can do this Saturday, November 11th, to save a lot of money. Now, before we get started, don't forget, make sure you subscribe here to my YouTube channel so you don't miss out on any of my future couponing deals. I post 2 Dollar General couponing deal videos every day of the week, usually around 7:30 p.m. and 8 p.m. Eastern Standard Time, because it means a lot to me that I help you to save as much money as you possibly can. And this month actually marks my 3-year anniversary since I first started LoveLiveSave. Really hard to believe for me. And I have a lot of really fun stuff planned for the rest of the month, and I don't want you to miss out. So if you haven't already, make sure you subscribe. Now, if you enjoyed today's deals, I would really appreciate it if you would take a moment and tap on that thumbs up like button on today's deal video. It makes a huge difference for my channel. It's a great way to support my work here at LoveLiveSave, and it is greatly appreciated. Now, for tonight's question, it's a super important one. I know I've asked it before, but it helps me to better plan out future couponing deal videos, so I make sure I'm including items that you actually need for your family. So it's super important that you take a moment and leave me a comment down below. I want to know what is one thing that you would really like to add more of into your stockpile to make sure that you never run out of it. Let me know down below in the comments. And make sure you share this coupon deal video with all your friends and family members that want to learn how to coupon, or maybe they just want to learn to save a little bit of extra money here and there. That way I can get these coupon deals out to them and help them too. So let's get started with these deals. Now, our first one is definitely one that I'm really looking forward to because if you've been following my channel for a while, you know I'm going on this journey where I am starting to stock up on cleaning supplies, especially for my laundry, that don't have a whole lot of chemicals in it. And one of the main products that I've switched to is white vinegar. I've been using it as a substitute for my laundry softener, and I've been using it on with cleaners all around my house. So I really want to stock up. So in this deal, grab 2 of those gallon-sized bottles of Clover Valley white vinegar. They are $3.50 each. Grab a 240 count box of Bounce dryer sheets, 2 single count packs of Febreze small spaces. Now, if you don't want the small spaces, you can absolutely substitute these for the single count cans of Febreze Air Effect. So pick whichever one you want, and then grab 1 can of Lysol disinfecting wipes. I'm really excited with the cold and flu cootie season right around the corner. I always try to stock up on disinfectants as cheap as I can possibly get it. And when it comes to Lysol wipes, we usually get $1 off of 2 coupon. So I was really surprised this past week when I saw that we got $1 off of 1. So definitely a good time to stock up. After all coupons, our total out of pocket comes down to just $14.65 plus tax for a 46% off savings, which is pretty amazing when you consider $7 of this out of pocket alone is just for those 2 Clover Valley white vinegars, and we didn't have a coupon for them. But because I believe in putting good coupons out into the universe, I would really appreciate some white vinegar coupons over the next couple weeks. That would be fabulous. Now, I'm not sure why this is, but whenever I do my laundry couponing deals, I almost always forget to include the free and clear detergents. And I've actually had a couple people reach out to me recently looking for deals for it. So because the $3 off coupon works off the Tide free and gentle detergent, it's a great opportunity to grab it for cheap. So in this deal, grab 1 Shout stain remover. I'm so bummed that the instant savings on the Shout expired last week. I was really hoping it would still be good this week. Then grab 1 bottle of the Tide free and clear detergent, 1 box of Colgate Max Fresh toothpaste. I know I moved the image a little bit too far down, but that's the Colgate Max Fresh toothpaste. And then grab 1 Colgate Plaque Pro Release toothpaste. After all coupons, our total out of pocket comes all the way down to just $9.70 plus tax for a 62% off savings. Perhaps you are getting low on your laundry pods. I know I definitely am. And I always try to have a equal balance of laundry pods and liquid laundry detergent because there's just sometimes I'd rather do a pod. And if you want to stock up, this is a super, super quick and easy deal that you can do. Now, this is a 5 off of 20 gain deal. So this deal will work if your store hasn't already updated their register systems so that the 5 off 25 and the 5 off of 20 gain coupon will still stack. So grab 1 60 count tub of Gain Flings, 1 of the small bags of Gain Flings, and 1 small bag of Tide Pods. After all coupons, our total out of pocket comes down to just $8.95 plus tax for a 66% off savings. And this includes a big tub of Gain Flings. Come on now. This is an awesome deal. Now, I also need to include here that this deal is a really good example of you need to make sure you're checking the Dollar General app for coupons on days other than just Sundays, because as of yesterday, we only had a $1.50 off Tide coupon, but apparently this morning they loaded a $2 off one. So make sure you go and clip it. But if you don't have it, it's totally okay. It's only a 50-cent difference, but definitely make sure you check the app like every day of the week because you will be surprised. I am so sad that I haven't been able to work a couponing deal for my favorite Lysol laundry sanitizer. We haven't had a coupon for that in so long. I really hope we get a new one soon. But because this is one of my other favorite products, I always try to work it into at least one coupon deal at least every other week because it's an awesome product. If you love OxyClean and you either your store is always sold out of it like mine, or you just don't want to pay the really expensive prices for OxyClean, this is a fabulous substitute. The True Living Oxy Multi-Purpose Cleaner. Awesome stuff. And it's like the same size tub. I believe it's 3 pounds. So it's a really good buy. So grab one of those tubs of True Living Oxy Multi-Purpose Cleaner, 1 Lysol Air Sanitizer, 2 of the Colgate Charcoal Toothbrushes, and 1 $6.95 bottle of the Downy Lush Unstoppables. After all coupons, our total out of pocket comes down to just $13 even plus tax for a 50% off savings. Now, this deal is also a really good example of what I always tell you. Just because you don't have a coupon for something doesn't mean you still can't score a great deal on it. And that, of course, applies to the white vinegar and all the other deals that I included in today's deal video that don't have coupons. You just have to work it into a deal with higher value coupons to help lower your out of pocket. Moving on. Here's another really easy laundry pads couponing deal, and this is going to stock up on a lot of it all in one trip. So in this deal, grab one of those bigger size bags of Tide Pods. This time grab 2 of the small bags of Tide Pods because we have 2 different coupons for it. And then grab 1 small bag of Gain Flings. After all coupons, our total out of pocket comes down to just $11.95 plus tax for a 53% off savings. Now that is a lot of laundry pods for such a low out of pocket. Now, maybe you're not a fan of laundry pods. I know a lot of people aren't. It's kind of a half and half situation. If you want to stock up on regular liquid laundry detergent, we still have some really good coupons for it. So grab 1 small bottle of Gain detergent, 1 small bottle of Tide detergent, an Airwick Essential Mist starter kit, and 1 bag of the Vicks Vapor Cool drops. After all coupons, total out of pocket comes down to just $10 even plus tax for a 62% off savings. Next up, we're going to stock up on the Gain Fireworks. We have this fabulous $4 off coupon, which I need to make sure I tell you something about it, but we'll do the deal first. So grab 1 big bottle of Gain Fireworks, a Colgate Optic White Pro toothpaste, hands down one of my favorite coupons this week. So you're definitely going to see it in a lot of my deals because it's one of my favorite high value coupons. Then grab 1 Febreze plug-in oil warmer. After all coupons, our total out of pocket comes down to just $10.15 plus tax for a 62% off savings. Now, you may have noticed that the $4 off coupon is not attaching to the big bottle of Gain Fireworks this time, like it always has. Apparently, Dollar General is having a lot of issues with their coupons this week, the last couple weeks, cough, cough. But don't worry, I have your back. If you want to do this deal, if you go to the store and the coupon doesn't come off, don't worry. Just go home, save your receipt, and then check out this deal video. I'm going to have information in the video description. It's going to have the email address and the phone number for the department at Dollar General that you can contact to get a reimbursement because, I mean, here's the hoping they get the coupon fixed, but just in case, don't worry, I got you covered. I had a lot of fun with this next coupon deal. I wanted to see how many boxes of dryer sheets I could work into one coupon deal because we got a lot of coupons this week. So in this deal, grab 1 240 count box of Bounce dryer sheets, 1, I believe it's the 36 count box of Suavitel. I hope that's how you say it. Suavitel dryer sheets, 105 count box of Gain dryer sheets, 50 count pack of Bounce pet dryer sheets, and 1 small bag of Tide Pods. After all coupons, our total out of pocket comes down to just $14.40 plus tax for a 47% off savings. Whenever we have this $2 off extra laundry detergent coupon, I always try to work it into at least a couple deals because it is definitely a great detergent to work in your stockpile, especially during the times when we don't have any coupons on your preferred brand. It's still a really great product, and I particularly like the OxyClean one and the one with the purple cap. I think it's like an odor blasters one. It works amazing. So if you want to get some, grab one small bottle of Gain detergent, one bottle of extra laundry detergent, and one of those big bottles of Gain Fireworks. Again, make sure you check out the video description for the contact information in case this coupon doesn't come off. After all coupons, our total out of pocket should be $14.20 plus tax for a 48% off savings. Here's another really easy white vinegar deal. So grab, again, 2 gallon-sized bottles of Clover Valley white vinegar, 1 Colgate Optic White Pro toothpaste, 1, I know it moved it too far down, lesson learned, but 1 box of the Colgate Max Fresh toothpaste, don't forget about that one. Grab 2 cans of Febreze Air Effects and 1 Febreze plug-in oil warmer. After all coupons, our total out of pocket comes down to $9.40 plus tax for a 66% off savings. Y'all, I am most definitely doing this deal. This is a really good one if you want to really start stocking up on the white vinegar. I've had a lot of people leave comments on my videos over the last couple weeks since I've been saying this is an item that I want to stock up on. They've been agreeing, saying they also want to stock up on it. So let's rally together and really start building up our stockpile, especially before winter, because, you know, it'll be helpful. Oh, and one more thing. If you're interested in my brand new 100-page couponing planner book full of couponing planner pages that are going to make writing out your couponing deals so much easier, I am going to have the information down below in the video description as well as in the comments section. It is finally available over on Amazon, and I am super proud of it. This is a project that I've been wanting to work on since I first designed these couponing planner pages nearly 3 years ago when I first started LoveLiveSave. I always wanted to see it in a book format, and it is finally available. So if you're interested in checking out, make sure you look in the video description as well as in the comment section. And if you've already purchased one, thank you so much for your support. I really appreciate it. And I'd love it if you would take a moment and leave a comment down below and let me know what you think of it and how it ended up turning out. I would love your feedback. Now, if you're still looking for even more Dollar General couponing deals to choose from, you're going to want to check out the comments down below or the video description. I always try to have the information in both places to make it a little bit easier to find for a 1-week free trial for my Patreon page. Now, in case you didn't know, my Patreon page is where I post my complete Dollar General couponing deals list every week, amongst other awesome couponing goodies, because I often write so many more Dollar General couponing deals than I have time to format into YouTube deal videos as much as I really wish I could. Like on average, this list usually has anywhere from 100 to 140 couponing deals. Now, this deals list is an easy to download PDF file, meaning you can either download it to your smartphone, a tablet, or you can print off whatever section of deals you want, because I keep all the categories of couponing deals separated, and these are all major categories of things that you like to coupon and save for your family. We're talking Gain deals, of course, because it's Dollar General and we love our Gain deals, right? But there's also toilet paper deals and paper towels, cleaning supplies, laundry supplies, personal care products, Tide deals, diaper deals, cheap out-of-pocket deals list, and I even started recently including an essential items couponing deals list full of items that you never want to run out of for your family ever again. So if you're interested, make sure you check it out. You cannot beat a 1-week free trial. Thank you so much for taking time out of your busy day to watch today's deal video. I really hope you enjoyed it. If you did, hit the thumbs up like button on today's deal video. I really appreciate it. It's a great way to support my work. If you haven't already subscribed here to my YouTube channel, hit that subscribe button, show my channel a little bit of love, and join our LoveLiveSave couponing community. We would love to have you here. And a super important step, make sure you also click on that little notification bell right next to the subscribe button and turn on all notifications. That way, whenever I post my future couponing deal videos, and like I said, I post 2 of them every day of the week, or when I do one of my fun Couponing After Dark live chats that I will be returning to doing this week, I cannot wait. I really have missed doing them. You're going to receive a notification. You're going to be one of the first people to know when I post or when I go live, and you're not going to miss out. And I will see you in the next video.